I need to tell you about a place you're going to fall in love with. I went to Umi in Edinburgh, one of my new favourite restaurants in the city. It's tucked away right beside Princess Street, which still blows my mind because it feels so peaceful once you're inside. Okay, and listen, even if you're not into sushi, there's so much to choose from, like this delicious chicken curry that I had. And if you panic about chopsticks, you're completely fine. They literally have cutlery on the table, so you don't even need to worry about it. But the part I loved most, you get your own little eating space. It feels so cozy and private in a way that you can just fully relax. I even brought Brochan with me, which makes me so happy because being able to travel and still enjoy a proper meal out together is amazing because I couldn't just leave him in the hotel by himself. I tried a few different dishes and every single one was unreal, and I'm not just saying that. You know, when you take the first bite and you look at the person that you're with and you're just like, okay, you're gonna have to try this. I wouldn't even know where to start in telling you because that was genuinely me all night, so you're going to have to read the caption for dish details. I'm telling you this because it has jumped straight into my top places to eat in Edinburgh, and I really want you to try it too.